there guys, before we start this video, please hit the like and subscribe button for more videos like this, and also comment down below what type of videos you want to see. Please support us. Let's go. Hi guys, today I'm gonna make some lamb steak. So I've got some pieces of steak here and I'm gonna show you how it's done. Let's go. I just went to my local butcher's, Fresh Bazaar in Bethnal Green Road. Yeah. Got some sea salt here, coarse sea salt. Got some pepper. So what you're gonna do is first, obviously, wash the meat. Get a nice piece of steak. Yeah. And then pat it down dry. So because you don't want any water on the meat itself. If you want a nice crust, yeah. Flip it over. Pat it down. Yep. You're gonna need some olive oil, yeah? So I'll get some olive oil. Spread it around. Yep. Make sure all meat is covered. Yep. Okay. Then what you do is add some salt. Yeah. Really get it inside the meat. Salt. It's not too much. Really cover it. Press it down into the meat. And on the other side. Pepper. Now to cook the steak, you're gonna need an iron skillet. Put the heat up so it's hot. Now add a little bit of olive oil. Yeah. Once you add the olive oil, swirl it around a little bit so it coats the whole pan, yeah? So you need it really hot. I've got my flame on high. Yeah. And you want a perfect sear on the steak. So you're trying to watch out for the noise. So let it get a little bit more hot so it's a little bit smoky. Yeah. So now I can see a little bit of smoke forming around. So what I do now, let me just give it another whirl quickly. So it's evenly coated. Now get your steak. Yeah. And down. So you want to hear that sound. So now you want to flip the steak. Yeah. Color. And what you want to do now is get some butter. Yeah. Put some butter. Swirl it around. Yep. 2 cloves of garlic. It does get a little bit smoky. A twig of rosemary. And what you want to do is baste. So what is basting? Put it down a bit. Let the garlic really infuse with the butter. And you're going to get this oil and you're going to put it on top like this. Yeah? And you baste it. Add a little bit more butter. Yeah? It goes around the whole pan. Yeah? Little butter. Baste it. Okay? And keep doing that. So what you do now, you have to let the steak rest. Yeah, so leave it on a tray. Yeah, add it here. and you let it rest for minimum 20 minutes. Rest. That's how you make lamb steak.